Hello, and welcome to today's video on decimals, featuring addition, subtraction, and common misconceptions. Among KS3 and KS4 students studying mathematics. My name is Aku, and I am your host for the lesson. Last week, I taught a class of KS3 students on the topic of decimals, using a simple lesson note with a prerequisite of prior knowledge of fractions. At the end of the lesson, I gave them the following exercise: to create a sequence of 5 terms, starting at 0.4 and going up in steps of 0.2. Most of the students came up with the following sequence of 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.10, 0.12. Whereas, the correct sequence is 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0, 1.2. The mistake they made was in number placement, as they placed the digit 1 from the sums 10 and 12 after the decimal point, instead of before it. Their misconception was in assuming that 0.10 is larger than 0.8. Thus, they were not conversant with the decimal number line, nor with the tenth, hundredth, thousandth scaling system. So let's go to the solutions and recommendations for teaching decimals, based on the answers from feedback from their classwork. Taking a cue from the obvious misconceptions and knowledge gap expressed by the students' answers, the following is proposed. The solution is a revised lesson note with the following elements. Integration of the theory of conversion to fractions into the lesson, so that it becomes immediately obvious when whole numbers are attained. By using charts, like the one shown below, that show fractions, together with their equivalents, and their lowest terms. Reteaching of the number line and place value system for decimals is also required. Also, the lesson should feature lots more images that emphasize the hundredth and thousandth scale. And teaching resources should include decimal place value charts, number line equivalence charts, base 10 counting sets, magnetic fractions, and other customized pieces. Each of these has a different purpose in the teaching of decimals, but used together, they produce a more effective and sustainable teaching methodology for young students.